As a corporate consultant, my job is to eliminate mixed messages being sent through my client's appearance, body language, tone of voice, and choice of words. Mixed messages can also be sent visually and audibly by women playing out stereotypical roles in the way they dress or behave. Actions speak louder than words. For example, another client of mine from a small city in South Carolina was turned down for a job in Chicago because, as she heard from a friend of hers in the personnel department, she did not have the corporate look. She told me she wore an expensive Ralph Lauren country floral print skirt, a matching quilted jacket, a white linen blouse with a romantic shawl collar, coordinated with patent leather belt and shoes, and a pink bow tying her hair back. She was told by the part-time salesperson in her local department store this would be very appropriate for any interview. Do you think she might have looked like a little girl to her interviewer? Floral prints subconsciously send the message of a garden tea party, not of a professional woman in the business world. A businesswoman who dresses in a cute pinafore, flouncy skirt, pedal pushers, ruffles, floral crayon prints with bows and ribbons in her hair is creating an overall impression. This halos her, creating the impression she can only handle little girl jobs and will be satisfied with little girl pay. If you are working in an office where this is the acceptable form of dress, it is important to remember, the toughest crowd to grow out of is the one at the bottom. Corporations hire image consultants because they can't legally impose a dress code, require you to understand body politics, or ask you to become a good public speaker. However, to build rapport with your superiors, peers, and subordinates, it is important to realize people around you experience, learn, and remember life through their five senses. Their mental mini-recorders are constantly flashing outside pictures and sounds to their inside computers. To build rapport with someone, look for common ground to stand on. Tune into their wavelength to create harmony with their thinking. This requires concentration on your part to match their behavior rather than expecting them to match yours. According to research done at UCLA by Albert Mehrabian, people tend to focus on what they can see: your overall appearance, facial expression, eye contact, posture, body movement, skin color, gender, age. The way you take up space or touch others are the major nonverbal components that constitute an astonishing 55% of the total message you are sending. If that's not scary enough, you haven't even opened your mouth yet. 38% of the impression you send is from the sounds others can hear in your voice. Your speech is comprised of the tone of your voice, your rate of speech, your loudness, pitch, and articulation. Lastly, the actual words you speak make up only 7% of the impression you are making.